I understand you wanted to hide and all that, okay? Just inappropriate with my son. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left, right. She had such a very straight face and everybody was kind of afraid of her.
Baby, what are you doing? Come here. What were you doing? Huh? What were you doing? Were you chasing your own tail? Is that what you were doing, my little baby? Say hi. Sadie. Yes, that is your own tail. What are you doing?